The top news of this bulletin coming in about the global travel policy. The first sign of UK having to blink over its controversial and discriminatory move of not even recognizing India-made vaccines. A day after, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar raised the issue with his UK counterpart Elizabeth Truss, United Kingdom appears to have revised a part of its policy. It has now included Made in India Covishield vaccine as an approved vaccine for the United Kingdom. However, Indian travellers, even if they have taken both jabs of the Covishield vaccine, will still have to be in quarantine because the UK is now stating that it is not about the vaccine but about certification issues. This comes after India had warned the UK of reciprocal action if it does not roll back the discriminatory vaccine policy. Let's go across to my colleague Milan Sharma, but before that, let's just listen in to the reactions that have come in since this story.
The basic issue is that here is a vaccine Covishield, which is a licensed product of a UK company, manufactured in India. We understand that this has been used in the national health system, and therefore non-recognition of Covishield is a discriminatory policy. The Honourable External Affairs Minister, from what I understand, has raised this issue strongly with his counterpart, the new Foreign Secretary of the United Kingdom. And I'm told that certain assurances have been given that this issue would be resolved. But if we don't get satisfaction, we would be within our rights to impose reciprocal measures.
So Milan, here two questions for you. One, can we say that this is clearly over a strong stand that was taken, as we just heard from the Foreign Secretary and the Indian government, warning of reciprocal measure. But importantly, this is also help us understand this, because even if I have taken the Covishield vaccine and it is approved in UK, I still have to quarantine. So how much of a difference does it really make?
Well, first of all, Pooja, to your first question, I would say that after India spoke tough on the reciprocity policy, if UK were to tell Indian travellers to quarantine for 10 days, so would the British travellers need to quarantine in India. Certainly, the United Kingdom health laws have to have blinked at this point, where Covishield, AstraZeneca's vaccine in the UK, is now being accepted according to the new changes in the travel policy that the UK government has made. Secondly, there's still a lot of confusion because there are questions that need to be answered. The first question is that India is still part of the amber list of countries that require a 10-day quarantine procedure. So will Indians still have to quarantine? That's the first question. Secondly, even if Covishield has been given an approval by the UK authorities, what are these certification issues that are being spoken about from the UK side? What seems to be added? What needs to be added to the certificate to make sure that it serves as a vaccine passport for Indians to travel abroad? And certainly, these are some of the questions which to which the Ministry of External Affairs in India, as well as the British High Commission, are speaking, and certain other issues that need to be ironed out. Remember that the list of countries in the amber list of countries where India is right now, it's a rolling list. It could be reviewed, and it's possible that India could be removed from that list also. But at this point, this confusion
so there is at least still hope of from October 4th. Could India not be any more in the amber list of UK? Remember, Covishield vaccine now approved in UK, but even if you've taken the jab, still Indian travellers have to go through a quarantine of 10 days. What is the certification issue that UK is now referring to if the vaccine is approved?